Hi everyone, is your Windows search taking forever to find even the simplest files? You type a name, wait, and still nothing shows up. So in this video, I'll show you a simple tool that's safe, free, and performs searches blazingly fast. To download the tool, simply open your browser and type everything search. From the search results, go to this first web page and download the installer from here. Once downloaded, right click over the file and run it as administrator. From this drop down, you can select your preferred language and click on OK. Now keep on clicking next and install the software. Now once the indexing is complete, you can start performing the searches. Simply type here with the name and you get instant search results. Now if you go to the search tab, you can choose any option from here as per your requirements. Simply select the type of search you want to perform, type that name and you have all the files listed before your eyes. You can also enable a preview pane and see the files even without opening them. To keep the everything search handy, simply search for it, right click over it and pin it to taskbar for a quick access so that you can use as and when required. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.